Tonight, there is a new push to close down what some lawmakers are labeling problematic correctional facilities. Tamara Lopez spoke with one of the lawmakers behind that push today. Tamara, what did she have to say about this?
Well, Trevor, Congresswoman Melanie Stansbury says she's working with a fellow lawmaker to shut down several privately funded jails and prisons that also house migrants. And one of those is just about an hour away from Albuquerque.
As we all know, we are absolutely facing a domestic immigration crisis here in the United States.
Congresswoman Melanie Stansbury says she recently co-authored this letter to the U.S. Secretary of Homeland Security about the state of several immigration detention centers in the country. On the list is the Torrance County Detention Center in Estancia.
But the primary contract that that private prison operates under is an ICE contract to provide bedding to asylum seekers that are picked up at the El Paso border crossing.
She says the facility has a documented history of plumbing issues, understaffing, and abuse of occupants. She points to a Brazilian migrant who was housed there last year and ended up committing suicide after allegedly not getting proper mental health help.
This is an absolutely inappropriate use of public dollars. That particular facility costs the taxpayers $2 million a month to provide bedding for individuals seeking asylum.
Now she's calling for the facility and 8 others across the country to be shut down, saying migrants and asylum seekers need more help and immigration offices need more resources.
We're calling for that private contract with ICE to be shut down and for a more humane and just and fair process to be put into place so that asylees' cases can be processed in a timely and appropriate manner.
And Congresswoman Stansbury says there's been decades of bipartisan failure to get any real reform or financial support for immigration issues in the U.S.
And Tamara, I understand she also mentioned another ongoing issue that is facing Congress right now.
Yeah, Trevor. So she says, once again, the government is just days away from a shutdown.
For New Mexico, we know this would have dire consequences. There's 94 federal agencies that operate here in our state, almost 26,000 federal employees who would be furloughed or asked to work without pay, including over 11,000 of our military service members who would be asked to work without pay if we would fail to pass a budget.
So the deadline to avoid a possible shutdown is just 10 days away now. Congresswoman Stansbury says it's pretty frustrating to once again be back in that position. Trevor?